Hi, I'm Mike Stevens, and I'm responsible for the Digital Enablement Business Unit. We deal with all the buzzwords: digital transformation, Industry 4.0, cloud, and everything as a service. In a nutshell, we really enable customers to modernize their shop floor operations, gain access to their data and insights to that data. Our portfolio really can be broken down into two major categories: software and services. On the software side, we sell various software from Rockwell, PTC, Cisco, and others. We also sell our development services and our own proprietary software. On the services side, we offer turnkey networking, cybersecurity, and IT services. As you might imagine, we lean towards the IT side of the customer's needs, but we are in lockstep with the CSG business unit, whose primary focus is on the OT side of the customer. This allows us to cover the full gamut of the shop floor from both an IT and OT perspective. Our ideal customer project, and my personal favorite, is a digital transformation workshop where we talk through short-term and long-term customer modernization goals. Customer walks away with a converged IT and OT multi-stage, multi-year plan, along with a proposal on how CBT can help them accomplish this.